See the droids keep getting tortured.
What's that?
The droids getting tortured. The one in the oil bath in the background. Here's my friends. Hi guys. Oh, I'm not talking to us.
Oh no, why not?
I don't know. They're being mean.
Are they upset with us?
I guess so. Let's go into that.
Okay, watch out, they might mistake you for a
Oh, I gotta put my mask on.
Now he's moving.
Now they're talking. Oh, now that we moved out of there. Oh, really, guys? Uh-huh. Good trick. Really? Let's see if we can find our favorite droid. I see some R2 stuff. Yay! I love R2. I don't know if you can recognize that I love R2.
Yes.
That's cool. I like that one right there. That R2. Oh, that's. Is he here?
No, I checked.
Oh. So this is where you go to build your own droid. That's wild. So if you wanted to, you can go over here and then you pick out your droid parts from the conveyor belt.
Yeah.
See that? All the way. And then you take all the parts over here and get in line, and then you build it in the middle there. If you really wanted to make it unique, you can customize your droid with the personality chips.
That's awesome.
So each one of these will give it a different personality. Oh, let's see if you can hear this. And that one. And that one. And then that one. And then that one. Now let's just do the first one just in case.
I like these two.
There you go. She's pictured personality droid. There we go. Let's see.
Resolution one.
And there's DJ Rex there. Look at those droids in there.
Oh wow.
Nope.
It's an R2.
I know.
And
Yeah. Well, how much is that?
$9.99, $10.
$10. I like my R2 too. I have an R2 pen and I like much better than this one.
Is there any lights on it or just,
It's
just a clicker?
just a clicker. That's it.
Okay.
GG2. Uh-oh, there's one saying hello. There you go. Do you have a name? I guess that's a yes. You do have a name.
He's a little feisty today.
A little feisty, yeah.
Here's an R2.
It's an R2 unit, yeah.
That's awesome.
Just hanging out with me today. Hello, friend. Hello. You can be trusted by well others. That's my supervisor.
I see. What is he saying?
All sorts of stuff.
Do not use language like that.
That's why you have to bleep them.
Ah, okay. Interesting. No?
But thank you. Now that's cool. Having all the attachments sticking out, that's very cool. You can get really carried away with some of this stuff. This is really cool. Well, there you go. Oh, there's a big R2 unit in there. There's a big R2 unit. That's really cool. Let's go see if we can get a closer look at them. All right, he's turned his back to us. And here comes the rain. Oh, that's right out of my childhood. Cat feeders.
Awesome.
From Star Wars, cat feeders. All right, I guess we'll do it a little bit later. See you soon. We'll try to come back here at night.